Hey everyone, my name is Jason. Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Dylan asked me to host the video for today, so here I am. If you've ever visited my channel, which is Drive to Win 13, you'll notice that I am a big outside the box thinker. When it comes to winning with Uber Eats, winning with Lyft, or winning with Uber, or really any other rideshare services, you have to think outside the box. And that's exactly what I do, and that's exactly what my videos are about. Today I'm going to show you a few ideas to maximize your tips specifically with Uber Eats. Before I start the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification button so that you can get future videos from the Rideshare Hub. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I have 4 different things for you today. Number 1, make sure to communicate with your customer. Okay, it can be a simple text message through the app. I prefer 2 different things. I do text them, let them know I'm on my way or stuck in traffic or whatever, just that communication piece. But what I've started doing is I've taken and actually called the customer before I leave the restaurant. Why do I do this? Because it makes me stick out in their mind as somebody who cares more than the last driver. Okay, so here's what I do. I call them and I simply say, hey, you're getting hamburgers, whatever. Do you need any other additional condiments? Do you need napkins? Anything like that? Most of the time they're like, no, I'm good, thanks. However, it sticks out in their mind as you caring more than the last delivery driver. Number 2, have you ever been in a delivery and you get to the restaurant and it's not ready and it's taken a little bit of time and you simply say, hey, this customer is going to probably be upset that this is taking so long. Is there any possibility of me getting some sort of voucher or discount coupon or something like that to basically help ease the pain, right? You'd be surprised how many managers will whip out a discount card. Okay, this gives you the ability to then, when it finally gets delivered to the customer, you get to give them that card and you get to say, hey, I am so sorry it took so long, but here's a card for you to go in later and get another meal or whatever it is, right? Number 3, very similar to the last one, I develop a relationship with my restaurants. As weird as that sounds, how can that help me with tips? Well, think about this. If you walk in to a restaurant and you have a relationship with those people, the managers, the employees, and you simply say, hey, listen, I am actually a Lyft and Uber driver as well, and I would really like to be able to give some of my passengers some discount cards or coupons or something like that, to help promote your business as well. I also do Uber Eats, so it kind of helps everybody. You'd be surprised from a marketing standpoint what a manager would think of that. They love it. Okay, I have a whole stack from all different kinds of restaurants. I give them to my passengers, I give them to my Uber Eats people. Sometimes if I'm hitting a milestone, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 rides, I'll give a whole bundle, like a gift pack together. Works super well. Again, you'd be surprised how many managers are super excited about doing that for you. Number 4, get on Vistaprints.com, make some business cards, get 500 of them or so. You can spend $10 or $15 to do that. Put a simple thank you note on it. Thank you for ordering Uber Eats. I appreciate your business. I always strive to get the food to my customers quickly, and I hope that I do that for you today. Thank you for your business, and have a good day. Something like that, okay? Again, you'd be surprised how different that is than the average Joe guy or girl that walk up to the house, drop off the food, don't say a word, you stick out in their mind. When it comes up with the option to tip that guy, who do you think they're going to tip? The guy that said nothing or the guy that went above and beyond? Always go above and beyond and you'll win every time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, again, leave us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the little notification button. You'll get more videos coming soon. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. See you all next time.